Welcome back, my dear students. So, in the last modules, we learned that man invented letters, and with the invention of letters, history begins. The time before history is called prehistoric time or prehistoric age. इतिहास के पहले के काल को हम प्रागैतिहासिक काल कहते हैं. तो पाठ आगे बढ़ते हैं. अतः हम देखते हैं कि यदि आदमी अक्षरों की गूंज नहीं करता तो आज हम इतिहास को न जान पाते. If man had not invented letters, then we won't be having any knowledge about our history. हम यह न जान पाते कि पिछले कुछ हजार सालों में आदमी किस प्रकार रहता था, क्या क्या सोचता था, कौन कौन से राजा हुए इत्यादि. So we won't be having any information about our olden times. Like early men, वो क्या क्या, वो कैसे रहता था, how they lived, क्या क्या सोचता था, what do they think, what were their ideas, कौन कौन से राजा हुए इत्यादि. Who were the kings who ruled our country? We won't be having any information about our history. Today, we know about all these. We have information about our history only because man invented letters. We have written documents about our history. अक्षरों की खोज मनुष्य की सबसे बड़ी खोज है. Invention of letter is the biggest invention of man. अक्षरों की खोज करने के बाद ही मनुष्य अपने विचारों को लिख कर रखने लगा. After the invention of letters, man started writing his thoughts and ideas. इस प्रकार एक पीढ़ी के ज्ञान को इस्तेमाल दूसरी पीढ़ी करने लगी. And this way, the ideas and thoughts of one generation is used by the next generation or it is transformed to the next generation. अक्षरों की खोज करने के बाद पिछले 6000 सालों में मानव जाति का तेजी से विकास हुआ. After the invention of letters, there was a drastic development in humankind. यह महत्व है अक्षरों का और उनसे बनी लिपियों का. This is the importance of letters and the script made of letters. अतः हम सबको अक्षरों की कहानी मालूम होनी चाहिए. So everyone should know the story of letters. आज जिन अक्षरों को हम पढ़ते हैं या लिखते हैं वे कब बनाए गए, कहाँ बने और वे किसने बनाए यह जानना जरूरी है भी. Everyone should know that the letters we are reading or writing about its past, its history, everyone should have an information about it. Where was it invented? When was it invented? Who invented these letters? Everyone should know the story of letters. So, my dear children, in this lesson, we learned the importance of letters. We are learning different languages. Each language have different letters. And each letter had a story to tell you where it originated, when it originated, who invented them. So let's read the story of letters. Thank you, my dear children.